If you were thinking about getting this TV mount, I definitely recommend. It has full range. You could do a whole lot of things with it. It comes with plastic anchors. I actually got these anchors from Walmart for about $2. They're metal, and when you twist it in, it expands. So, and it holds 80 pounds. I know the TV mount itself holds 77 pounds. And my TV is only like a 50-inch, so it's only about 30 pounds. So it's pretty safe. I can just have it anywhere. It's pretty cool. I can have it front. I could bring it closer. Whoa, move this one. All right, this one closer, as close as I want it. It's dope. It's floating. I hid the wires in the back.
Yeah, so the TV's at perfect viewing angle. So we can sit here and watch a bunch of crazy people in the privacy of our own bedroom. That's right. Just laying here with twinkle bells, going to sleep. It's perfect viewing angle. I normally make it a policy not to watch TV from bed, but yeah, well. Twinkle Bells, what do you think about this?
Ooh, here we have it. The TV is mounted. This is it in the back. I am sorry if my camera is a little bit blurry, but yeah, I mean, I can move this bad boy. It's in there. Like swimwear, it's good. It was so easy to pretty much get the back installed. You just need a strong drill, of course, when you're drilling it into the wall. That was my only delay. I did not have a strong drill, so I had to get one. Or I actually hired someone with a strong drill because I went through two that were not strong enough. So professional duty. But yeah, that's it. Go ahead and
Sock, now you've stolen my heart.
Nice and sturdy.
As a symbol of my love.
Hooks to the back of the TV. And as you can see,
this is not.
wife's got it set up and they're watching her shows. Look at that. Spins around.
Es muy buena, nunca he tenido problemas con ella, ya tengo como aproximadamente 3 meses usándola. Mi televisión es grande, se mueve a los lados, es muy fuerte, la calidad es muy buena y el precio es excelente. Esta es mi televisión, como pueden ver está grande.
It's a good mount.